These areas need to be shaded, all these little gaps now. I have 9 liner inside there, or maybe 14. Then I pick up some ink, some cream. Cream goes on, and then we do a stroke so close to each other, it performs shading. Super close to each other. You touch both sides, both ends. Little circles sometimes. I do like little ovals here. Little circle-ish. Little circles. Straight. What turns into little ovals like this. Little ovals. And the strokes are so next to each other that you can't see it, a stroke. And this is where I shade from outside in, hit the wall, back out, like I said in previous videos. It just happens fast. Nice and smooth.